Come, what is the problem? Your face is looking so obvious. Please, come. What is wrong? You are looking very angry. What happened?
Dad, why are we so poor? I can't get anything latest. And that includes new things like phone, clothes, shoes. I can't have any of them, Dad. Why?
Daughter, not too many people in the world have the luxury that you have. So learn how to appreciate the little blessing instead of complaining.
Dad, it's not fair. It is not fair. So that I need a new mobile. You're trying to tell me that I can't have it at all. All my friends in school, they will laugh at me. Dad, I don't like this.
Learn how to tell them of the blessing that you have instead of following them to do what is not right.
Dad, if you're not going to get me a new mobile, I will work and save money to buy it, okay? Seriously, I can't take any of this again.
All right.
Are you the girl that was sent by the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure you can do this job?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Are you sure? You look so lanky and as if you haven't had anything to eat for ages. Are you sure you can do this job?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Baby,
Yes, Mom.
do you like her?
Let's just manage her.
Are you sure?
Let's just test her and see what she can do.
Okay, fine. Well, I'll try you and see. If I see anything unusual, you're out. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Go to the room by the left. The first room is your room. Go.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Baby, take her inside.
Okay.
Baby,
Yes, Mom.
make sure you give her those clothes you haven't washed since 2 months now.
I'm going to give her.
Your room is stinky.
She has to do.
Don't forget to give her.
Yes.
Go. But make sure she eats something first.
Okay, Mom.
Then you pack those clothes and give her. Just go, baby. Go, baby.
Everything you know, somebody don't know. Everything you wanna know, somebody don't know. Everything you wanna know, somebody don't know. Even though you don't know. Everything you don't know, somebody don't know. Even when you wanna know. Everything you wanna know, somebody don't know. You wanna be somebody don't be. Make it just a try. Try.
You're still up to now mobbing. You have been mobbing since morning.
Sorry, ma'am, I'm trying to finish.
God, you're such a lazy girl.
Sorry, ma'am.
Just sorry for yourself. Take all these things, this mobbing, before I say Jack Robinson. You're done. Go and keep this bucket inside, please. And go to the market. Buy food stuff. We are hungry. I'm hungry, please. You get to the kitchen and cook.
Okay, ma'am.
Baby. How was school today?
It was fine.
Wow, that's nice. You say you're doing test today, right?
Yes.
Did you pass your maths today?
Yes, I passed.
Okay. Oh my God. It's good, just wait. Oh my God, what's that? Are you a baby?
It was.
Are you? Just shut up. That's why you're scoring 2/10. You're too dumb for my liking.
So, Mom, let me just leave it.
Leave it. What do we have housemaid for in this house? Esther!
Ma?
Please, come. Clean up this mess, please. Clean up. Just be fast.
Make sure you clean it for me.
Just look at how you messed up everywhere. How can you not know that this water is filled up? Esther! Esther! This is your pay for this month. Have it. I must tell you the truth. I know that you've been trying to impress me, but I'm not satisfied. Your lanky stature is just attributed to all your laziness that you've been putting around, and you're thinking that you're trying to impress me. Let me tell you, if you didn't try hard to walk in this place very well according to the way I told you to, and stop this your laziness and wasting of time, because I don't work like that here. Now get out of my front. Leave.
Daddy.
Yeah, my daughter. How is it been? How are you doing? How is work going?
Not to find Dad. Seriously, not to find.
Anything the matter?
Dad, the work was not what I expected.
Have you gotten your pay? Or are you going to use the pay to buy the new phone?
Dad, I worked so hard for months and I still did not have enough to get the phone.
So what do you now think?
Well, I think that you are right, Father. I should really appreciate what I have in my life. I didn't really know how much you work hard to provide for us.
Now I see that life has finally taught you some lesson. Don't worry, my daughter. Every disappointment has a way of bringing back a blessing. Let's go inside so that
finally I was lost at sea.
Hey, before you scroll, if this video made you laugh or have impacted you in any way, please share it to more people so that they will get to experience the goodness of kindness. Remember, the beautiful world we all desire will not be possible without your participation. We appreciate every one of you. I hope to see you again on the next one.